Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are doing Advent Calendar day number 4 for the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. And we are going to open up the day 4 door in our Advent Calendar and check out what we got. So yeah, here I am, like, not looking at the picture again. I'm pulling everything back. And it is more dies. This is exciting. We got a lot of dies so far. Alright, so it's word dies with the shadow behind them. Super cool. And as I'm figuring out here, it's the words from you to me. Or from me to you. Whatever. So, as we're doing this, I'm coming up with an idea that I'm going to incorporate a previous day's goodies to make this card. So I'm going to die cut the shadow out of a sort of a sparkly Hero Arts black cardstock, and then the words themselves are going to get die cut out of a shimmery white metallic cardstock. And we're going to tape them all down to the cardstock and run them through the die cutting machine. I will spare you the boredom of watching me do the die cutting. But I do want to talk to you about the hop that I'm participating in for the Spellbinders Advent Calendar over on Instagram. So if you hop on over to my Instagram, you will see a list of all of the participants in the hop. And it's really fun to see the things that everyone creates using the same materials. So, super fun. I have decided for myself that I only want to use the products that come in this kit so far. So, I'm not using any stamps or dies or embossing folders or anything like that that have not been given to us in this specific advent calendar yet. I saw one creator do that last year, and I thought that was really cool. And so I was like, I'm going to give that a try. It's like a new and unique challenge for me, because usually I'm just like mishmashing everything I possibly have in my stash. But this time I decided not to. So this card actually came together pretty quickly. I'm going to hyper speed you along when I do the gluing of the words to the shadows. And then we're going to use the flower from, I don't know, was that day 2? I don't even know. Whatever, the flower sentiment set is going to help us along. I'm going to stamp in black, which I didn't film, the sending good thoughts. And then we are taking the flowers and we're stamping them in gray in all different orientations around the paper or the cardstock. And then when I attach these with the foam tape, I'm going to start at the bottom and I attach that one first, and then I go to the top. So I can kind of like space them out and see how I want them to look. And they didn't get spaced very evenly, but I kind of just wanted that angle, and the angle turned out great. Spacing, not so much maybe, but you know what, whatever. We're adhering it to a white card base now, and I'm going to put some liquid glue on there to adhere it to the card base. And the card panel is 4 by 5 1/4, and the card base is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So there's going to be that little white edge around the card, which I think is really pretty, especially for this card. So let me know in the comments below, what would you do with those words with the shadows behind them. I'm sure I'll come up with a lot more ideas for like birthday type of stuff, but I just thought since I had recently gotten those other stamps in the set, I thought that would be fun. Here's a dose of my kitty cat. Say hi, Sonic. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to come back tomorrow and see what else we got going on for day 5. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.